Hi guys, so wondering why we are dressed like this?
Just keep on watching.
Keep on watching.
We're visiting a local community.
Explore a little bit the rural life outside of the city and farm life, yeah.
Yes.
I'm helping here to make some bread by grinding the flour, and you do this like this. Keep shaking, shaking, harder, harder. We basically work together to make that from absolutely scratch.
This is a paste that has a lot of energy, so they give this to the moms that give birth. Ground wheat and sugar and dates, yeah, energy plus.
We're gonna get some olives right from the tree.
That concludes our day spent with the local family, eating their food and trying out their crafts. Our hearts are very full right now, so it's time to go home and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!
Yellow, bye!
Bis alles, was ich habe,
auf dem Weg.